going to unboxing the Realme 7i, which I got it from Flipkart at 11,099 rupees. Let's check what inside the packet. There is a yellow color box. I would say the packaging is very good. Let's check what inside the box. As you can see at the top, we have a case. I hope this quality is good. And we have a handsets. I have got the Fusion green color. As you can see, it has a 4 camera, 4GB and 64GB storage. Now open it. The Realme logo is coming. It boosts in a 10 seconds. It's really very fast. Now put it aside. And at the bottom we have a charger. If you like the video, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe us. Thank you very much.